Hey man, thick thighs save lives. Same way I like my chicken. Legs and thighs, baby. Legs and thighs. I think I've already said that joke on here before. That's all I am really. I'm just a guy reusing the same jokes to different people. But that's what life is really, isn't it? We're just saying the same things in different ways to different people. I'm a deep guy, you know. Ladies, I'm deep. There's more to me than silly jokes and TikToks. I'm a real human underneath. I have feelings. No, I do have feelings though. For example, right now I'm feeling I should get on with this next set.